Hi everybody. So I got a haul. This is stuff that's been coming in since I haven't been around. The husband had surgery Thursday. The dog had surgery Tuesday. And our water heater tank thing. I want to use the term blew up. Water everywhere in the middle of the night. So Mitzi was the one who got me out of bed. She said she had to go outside, but I think she heard the water running. So when I got up to let her out, the kitchen was flooded. I could hear a waterfall. It was a disaster. So it's just been a lot going on. So I thought I would check in, do this haul before I put everything away, and get my canning started. I'm going to do one canning run tonight before I go to bed and get this stuff put away. So it's a lot. So let's see. This was a want, not a need. It's those Smashmallow marshmallows. I love marshmallows every now and then. I just like a marshmallowy snack. I love the marshmallow candy, but I couldn't find any this Easter. You know, the chocolate covered marshmallow. So couldn't find any of the candies I like. No robin eggs, no nothing. So no Easter candy this year. My nephew did get his Easter stuff, so he was tickled with that. He asked, "How did you do that?" I got 3 boxes of this Hungry Jack hash browns. And I actually use these dehydrated hash browns all the time in my husband's the breakfast for a week things that I do. So when I make him the burritos with potato, that's what I use. So I use a lot of my preps as it is. I got these saladitas. Anyways, they're saltine crackers. However you say it, they are saltine crackers. I got my husband some vegetable chips. I don't think these have potato. They have beets and yams and taro, parsnip. And then I got me the cheap, regular kind. Ruffles are not in the budget anymore. And then I got an 8-pack of the Idaho Spuds hash browns. And I buy things like that sold that way. I don't grab a bunch off the grocery shelf. That's how I shop. I shop in bulk. I got a red beans and rice. And speaking of that, if you haven't been on the Walmart website, if you go to the canned vegetables, and this is how it's set up here. I went to canned vegetables, and they have the peas and green beans on sale for $5.88 a case. Click at the toolbar, you have your choice of delivery, pickup, or shipping. Click the shipping. I think these are only for shipping. And then I found the corn because I thought, oh, well, they don't have the corn. I put in canned corn, shipping, and then the case of corn came up. So the corn, green beans, and peas are $5.88 on the website for shipping. And you can also get 12 cans of canned chicken for $19.98 a case of those on the website for the shipping. So I don't know if it's in the store, the chicken, but it's on the shipping part of the website. So I got this tuna helper cheesy pasta, and you could use your mackerel, your canned salmons, whatever. I got this honey barbecue tuna creations just to add to the flavored tuna stuff. I got the Tony Chachere's jambalaya. I got a bag of ham peas, split peas. I got the ham and beans Cajun. I got a package of spaghetti. I got that in my Misfit box. I got another container of Wondra. I got a can of red beans and rice. I got a can of creamy chicken noodle. I got this just to try. I didn't know there was this, excuse me, steak and shake chili with beans. I got some seasoned cabbage. I got this in my Misfit box. It's Napa Valley Organic Marinara. I got some Skippy. And always, if you have dogs, get them some peanut butter too. Just make sure that it does not have xylitol in it. I got some dried apricots. I think I got this in my Misfit box as well. I got some Beanie Weenie. I got some diced potatoes. I got a can of fire roasted whole green chilies. Those are really hard to find, the whole green chilies. They're good to make chili rellenos out of. I got the hot and spicy Spam. I got a bacon Spam. I got this in my Misfit box. It's an all-purpose baking spray. I got some wasabi powder. I got some hot mustard powder. I got some mixed vegetable medley. I got some field peas with snaps. I got 4 cans of corn. That's before I knew that I could get the cases of corn. I got a Thai chili tuna and a hickory smoked. The reason I got these wasabi and the hot mustard powder is I got seaweed sheets and rice paper sheets, and I'll show those to you and tell you why I got those. I got from freeze-dry wholesalers, I got some freeze-dried corned beef, and my focus now is going to be more on freeze-dried foods over canned. I got this 2-pound bag of dehydrated bananas, and they were $12.99 when I got them. I think they're $14.99 now on Amazon. It's the Anna and Sarah. They're still cheaper than August Farms or anybody else. I got this can of Armour corned beef hash. I got some chicken, green chili, pozole. These Juanita products are pretty good. I got a 5-pound bag of self-rising flour. I got another can of the Augusten Farm dried egg powder. It's getting very expensive. Well, it is very expensive. It's not getting, it's there. I got a can of corned beef. A lot of products I've not heard of. I got another tube of shoe goo. I got some more freeze-dried shrimp. I got a package of freeze-dried zucchini. I got another package of the hamburger patties. And I got this yogurt starter, and you can make yogurt and cheeses from your dehydrated milk. And so I will go get the things that I got to go with the wasabi powder. And I got a chipotle chicken and corn chowder soup. and I'll be right back. I got these, move some of this so you can see. I got these spring roll wrappers. They're rice. They're made out of rice. And, I mean, I'm sure you've seen these rolls before. And I got some sushi, some seaweed sheets. So you can do your own sushi. I figure we're all storing this rice, right? Well, these are some other ways that you can use that rice. You can use your freeze-dried shrimp, slice it into thin pieces, some cabbage, carrots, cucumber, whatever you have, and your rice, and make your wraps. The same with the seaweed wrap. And you could do bibimbap, the Korean rolls. You could do the other Asian types of rolls. You can use your canned tuna, your canned salmon, veggies, egg. Just, I mean, during the Depression, that's how a lot of recipes were created. A lot of stuff we eat now is comfort food. Those recipes were created during the Depression. So, I mean, essentially, that's what we're going to be doing. Take what we have on the shelves and create our own stuff. And as long as we have the ingredients, we can get pretty creative. So, these are shelf stable. Also, these seaweed wraps are high in iron, potassium, magnesium, iodine, vitamin. They're one of the few vegetables that this is considered a sea vegetable that contain B12. They have vitamin A, vitamin C. So, I mean, they have a lot of nutrients and minerals in them, as well as you could do your sushi rolls. If you're into I don't do the raw fish kind, but that's more of a sashimi. I'm correct. So anyways, I just thought these would be cool to have. And so just some water, and you can make your wasabi. You have your soy sauce. Same with the hot mustard and sesame oil, sesame seeds, you know, all those Asian seasonings and flavorings, and you can create your own dips and sauces and flavors and all of that, and just make that rice mo better. So anyways, this is my haul. Sorry I've been gone. The husband is still recuperating. The dog's doing better. So I'll get videos up as I can. It's just really hard because I'm doing everything, and taking care of them. And we had to get the water tank replaced. And when he's better, he needs to go up there and get the water to where it's hotter, because right now it's just not hot enough. And so it's just a lot going on, just a lot of life happening right now. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of canning videos coming up. We're going to be doing some recanning of number 10 cans you can get at the grocery store. Those are still pretty cheap. So yeah, I'm trying. It's just a lot going on, and I planned on having canning videos out, I don't know, a week or so ago, but things happened. So anyways, I hope you're doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Oh, and if you didn't know, Georgia has declared a state of emergency due to supply chain issues, and also, as far as I know, it's not the whole state of Tennessee, but maybe some counties or cities in Tennessee have done the same, declared a state of emergency. So make sure you're stocking up for you, your pets, your children, your babies. Do what you can while you can. I mean, it's getting pretty unaffordable for any of us to do anything. So anyways, you all take care, and I will see you soon.